अगर सच्ची में कभी एक दिन ऐसा हुआ ना, शूटिंग के बाद पूरा मालूम पड़ा कि नहीं है वीडियो पे, तो जितना बाल बाकी है उतना भी निकाल दूंगा। मेरा नहीं, तेरा। माइक टेस्ट आलोक को करना चाहिए। तू माइक टेस्ट बोल क्या माइक टेस्ट करता है?
रोल एंड
हेलो नहीं तू अभी है ना, तू मत ऐसा ये बीच में मत टोक मेरे को यार। ओके, so it's time to drink the beer.
Yes.
You get done with the pouring.
The chicken lollipops is one of the funniest. चुके होना।
He can tell the joke. I'm going to start eating.
नहीं, wait.
No, what is this?
They're not dipping in.
No. Drink like a fish.
It all started when our Guju grandfather married our Goan grandmother around 60 years ago.
Not only did they break the shackles of a rather conservative society,
But they also broke all the shackles when it came to food.
from prawn curry rice,
To Undiyu Puri.
this is our food journey.
Hi, this is Aman.
This is Alok.
And we are the Goan Gujus. Hello and welcome to episode 8 of the Goan Gujus. As usual, I have Alok with me. Hi bro.
What's up, people?
Today's episode is exciting for us. We are going to talk about a food category which we feel is not explored enough, maybe ignored as well. We are going to talk about
Chaknas.
chakna.
It is a category so ignored that the name itself says Chakna.
Okay, so what we are trying to do over here is we have got 4 to 5 different types of chaknas which are very common if you visit any local bar in Bombay.
We got some muruku, जिसको लोग चकली भी बोलते हैं,
Okay.
with some Szechuan sauce,
That is
which I think
the
is
classic combination.
a classic combination. And we've got some peanuts, some chicken lollipop, and some mandli fry, along with, of course, the masala papad.
Nice.
And to make sure that we have that nicely, with biting.
Yes, we have to talk about what
Biting
we have,
biting is just one half of it. The other half is in the drinks. Yes.
Okay, what
So
are
we have London Pilsner,
Okay.
and we have Old Monk.
The OG. So I think that at least, I don't know about people who are older to us or younger to us, but I feel the people who are our age group, their first experience of consuming alcohol would have been Old Monk and Thumbs Up only, right?
At least mine was.
Even mine, I think Old Monk or Coke or Old Monk or Thumbs Up, I don't remember, but it was Old Monk for sure.
Old Monk and Thumbs
Yeah,
Up.
I think the two main reasons, I think what I have kind of deduced is, one, of course, because it is cheap and affordable, so everybody can kind of, even if you're in college and you have a limited pocket money, you can still go to any wine shop and, you shouldn't do that. It's a wrong thing to do, but people do it. So,
We've all done it.
we've all done it, but try, avoid, मतलब हो सके तो मत करना. So, one, because it's cheap. Two, I think when you have it with Thumbs Up, like when you mix Old Monk, the taste is so sweet. It doesn't seem like you're having alcohol, but it will give you the asar of having alcohol. So I think it is the most common go-to drink when people have started, consuming alcohol for the first time, right?
True.
And London Pilsner के बारे में बताओ कुछ यार.
So London Pilsner, लोगों को लगता है कि ये क्या है, लंदन से बियर आया है, but it is an Indian beer.
Okay.
It's more specifically a Maharashtra product.
अच्छा, like
It's not available anywhere else. It's a Maharashtra product. It's now owned by Kingfisher, United Breweries.
Okay.
And it's called a London Pilsner, but it is not a Pilsner. It's actually a lager beer.
But it's called Pilsner.
It's called London Pilsner. Pilsner is another type of beer,
Okay.
which has got more hop content in it.
But this is not that.
But this is not that. The name
it's
is
called that.
Yes, it is.
If you
Called
understand that confusion, please explain it to us. Mention in the comments
Yes,
below.
it's a tough pill to swallow.
Yeah. no drinking session is complete without chakna, right?
Absolutely.
So, chalo, abhi what are we waiting
Chakte
for?
hai.
Chakte hai.
Okay.
So what we'll do? We want to start off with the beer. Or
I'll open a beer first. Wait.
are these peanuts salted?
You don't know about that, but now they are assaulted.
Okay, finally, time to quench our thirst. As you can see, face is full of sweat.
We need a beer very badly. Cheers.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers, guys. It's got a very bitter mouthfeel. But I think bitter is better when it comes to beer. What do you
I
think?
mean, people have preferences, I feel. But I quite like it. I think it's not that bitter for me.
Yeah, it's a very
I've
nice
had
beer.
a lot of other beers that have been a lot more bitter than this one. For me, most of the times what happens is we go to a bar, we call for drinks, but I get so enticed by the chakna that after a point I'm not drinking, I'm just eating the chakna. So that kind of becomes the entire meal.
Know that the chicken lollipop is the funniest chicken dish. Do you know why? Because it's got lol in it.
On that note, here we go.
You dig it into the Szechuan sauce and have it.
If I take the chicken lollipop into the Szechuan sauce will be having an extra miracle affair. It's
Why?
meant to be had with the chutney, that's why.
Oh yeah. You know what's the best place to store the chicken lollipop? In the liquor cabinet.
These are so good. It made me ignore. It made it easier for me to ignore Arun's joke. The lollipop to that too. So the thing with masala papad is, I think, again, like chicken lollipop, this is something that for sure you're going to find in every bar. Like not only bars, but even like those family restaurants kind of places.
It's a must have.
It's a must-have, yeah. So we're going to dig into this.
You know what do you call a Sindhi who does a lot of gossip? A masala papad.
Wow.
Masala, gossip.
So again, a lot of people, I don't know whether in like outside of Bombay whether this combination is as famous, but you ask anybody who's from Bombay and who's gone to any of these local bars, they will swear by chakli plus Szechuan sauce.
Yes, it's a childhood favorite. When we used to go to a bar with our parents, this was the only thing that we used to do.
We used to go to nice family restaurant and bar with our parents. They
Yeah,
used
of
to
course.
like shady bars and stuff, but still.
Kabhi kabhi.
So the point is that this is like nostalgia, this is childhood,
Yes.
and still as relevant in today's time.
Yeah.
The combination is not died, it's just kind of grown leaps and bounds, right?
Tell us what's your favorite biting combination along with the drinks.
Okay, at this point in life, I'm not a very big Old Monk fan because in a city like Bombay where it is so hot, this is like adding fuel to fire.
But having said that, it started raining. And I think in rains, Old Monk
That's
and
true.
Thumbs Up is a classic combination.
That's true, I agree. So I'm just going to take a sip because I think Old Monk right now doesn't suit me with the Bombay weather. So
Okay, cheers.
cheers, bro. The taste of Old Monk, takes me back to the time when I started drinking first. Automatically it's like a time machine. You have a sip, the taste is so familiar. And at one point of time, this is all that we used to have. Like, each and every drinking session was Old Monk and Thumbs Up.
I think Old Monk is not alcohol, it is an emotion.
It's an emotion. Again, peanuts are something that, not only in India, but I think even if you go to places which are abroad, peanuts is a very common bar food, right?
Yeah, in every bar you'll find a bowl of peanuts.
Bowl of peanuts done in different ways. So over here, what we have is like
A salted peanut.
salted peanuts, but you have masala peanuts and you have boiled peanuts.
Yeah.
So they are done like in different variations and permutations and combinations across the country and across the world, I feel.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's.
Do you know why they serve peanuts? So salted peanuts makes you drink more.
Yeah, salt in general
Yeah.
does that, right? the more salt intake you have, the more
The more
alcohol
thirsty you get. You know, if a peanut goes to space, what do you call it? An astronaut.
I think Alok has said so many jokes right now in this episode itself that
I think it's the old monk and beer.
yeah, I think the alcohol is showing its powers. So now we come to the final thing that we have on the table today, the mandeli fry.
Tell people what's a mandli, no?
A mandli, I don't know what it's called in English. It's a version of an anchovy.
Yeah.
It is, no? Yeah, I mean, but so these are extremely small fishes. Extremely small fishes,
Fish.
whatever. So this is actually an entire fish. Okay, it's not cut into pieces or something like that. This is an entire fish. And the best thing about mandi and why it is such a popular chakna is for the reason.
It can be eaten whole,
Yeah, I was going to show it.
but you can show it.
The reason why the mandi is one of the most popular chakna dishes is for this particular reason. You can have it whole. The bones are so brittle and soft that it doesn't. You don't even realize that you are having it with bones or whatever. So you are having a drink. Pick up a whole mandi.
Have a sip of beer.
I think the beer and mandi combination can win an award for sure, right?
Absolutely.
I mean, just that combination you can't go wrong.
Killer combination.
If there are any one of y'all out there who eat non-vegetarian and seafood but haven't tried the mandi, you should do that right away because you don't know what you're missing out on.
Why did the chicken join the band?
As always, I have absolutely no clue, so please.
Because it already had drumsticks. Put him.
Okay, on that note, thank you guys for tuning in to episode 8 of the Goan Good Juice. I hope you guys had fun. I think food-wise, if you honestly have to ask me, this is the most delicious episode. I think because I love mandeli and I love chicken lollipop.
And I love beer.
So I think we had a lot of fun in shooting this episode today.
Yes.
I hope you guys had that much fun in watching it. And if you did, please like, comment, share, subscribe on the video. Tell your friends to watch it, tell your family to watch it, whoever you know, please tell them.
Drink with your friends and family.
And पीते देखो ये episode.
हाँ.
पीते चखने के साथ देखो तो और मजा आएगा.
Yes, and send us a photo or a video of yourself drinking and sending it to us.
थोड़ा ज़्यादा.
ज़्यादा हो गया.
Okay,
ठीक है,
on that
भेजो ना. And subscribe to the Content Brewery channel.
Most important.
सब्सक्राइब नहीं कर रहे हो तुम लोग यार. मैं देख रहा हूँ पेज पे लाइक्स आ रहा है, कमेंट्स भी कम हो गया है. थोड़ा कमेंट करो.
एंड क्रेडिट्स में मैं डालूंगा.
अरे कमेंट करो ना. सबको बोलना चाहिए ना कमेंट करने के लिए. ऐसे बाद में मिलते हैं तभी बोलते हैं अरे वीडियो अच्छा था. अरे पर कमेंट कर. हाँ कमेंट
बिल्कुल नहीं करेंगे.